Big news for Samsung's foldable fans. Samsung has just started rolling out the stable One UI 8.0 update, based on Android 16, for last year's Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. So here's the deal, both devices went through 2 rounds of beta testing, and now the stable update is officially live in South Korea. According to tipster Taran Vats, the Flip 6 is getting firmware version F741 NKSU2CY6, while the Fold 6 is getting F956 NKSU2CY7. Right now, the update is rolling out first to beta program participants at around 600 megabytes, but once it goes public for everyone, it'll be closer to 4 gigs in size. That means if you're not part of the beta, don't worry, you'll still get it soon, just with a bigger download. Both foldables are also getting the latest security patch, so it's not just feature improvements, but also stability and protection upgrades. If you're in Korea and own a Flip 6 or Fold 6, you can check right now. Just head over to Settings, Software Update, download and install. Once it's done, hit Install Now, your phone will reboot, and boom, you'll be running the stable version of One UI 8.0. This rollout will expand to other regions in the coming days, so global users, stay tuned, your update is on the way. So what do you think? Are you hyped to finally get Android 16 with One UI 8 on your foldable? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the latest Samsung updates. Samsung's secret One UI 8.5 video just leaked, and the design changes are shocking. A leaked One UI 8.5 video has revealed huge design overhauls and fresh features, coming right after Samsung kicked off the stable One UI 8 rollout. It seems Samsung is already fast-tracking its next major upgrade, and this one is expected to bring significant UI changes. The first ever One UI 8.5 video leak comes from that dev at Faraz_Beck_101. The clip highlights redesigned apps and key functions, proving Samsung's ambitious plans for Galaxy users. One UI 8.5 design and features. The leak uncovers a refreshed software update UI, upgraded apps like One UI Home Settings, Galaxy Themes, Studio, Video Editor, and Device Care, a brand new direct voicemail function, software update UI. Samsung may bring a redesigned update screen with One UI 8.5. The clip showcases a graded background with the version tagline elegantly displayed at the top. One UI Home Settings. The update refines Samsung's Android 15-based skin. The Home Settings page keeps its familiar top header, but introduces new interface components instead of placeholder icons. Galaxy Themes. Samsung's Themes app has been revamped inside and out. The homepage now features a bold brush graphic, while the interaction page adopts sleek pill-shaped buttons. Studio Video Editor. Galaxy Studio also evolves with One UI 8.5. Its navigation bar now follows the minimalist style of the Samsung phone app, giving users more screen space. Direct Voicemail. A major new feature lets callers leave a voicemail when you can't pick up. The message can then be played back at your convenience. Device Care. Samsung's Device Care sees dramatic changes. The new design adds a dedicated card for quick toggles, alongside a universal card showing detailed stats on battery, storage, and RAM. The leaked visuals reportedly come from a ported One UI 8.5 build, meaning the final design could look even better. And that's everything from today's leak on Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.